Welcome to the third and last part of editing my subscriber's resume. So if you haven't watched the first two parts of this three-part series, I will link the videos on the description, so go ahead and check it out. This time, we are going to edit a resume, and I'm going to use the sample template that I created previously. I made a video about how to create a professional resume for those who don't have call center or BPO experience, and I also provided a sample template. I will also link the video on the description, so go ahead and check it out. Now what I'm going to do is to use this template for Ed's resume because I think she just enumerated the details, but this was not really formatted to look like a resume, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm just going to copy and paste the information actually. So on top we have the personal details. I'm gonna get her name and paste it over here. So paste the option and just edit the formatting. I'm using Arial font, so make it consistent by using the same font all throughout. Alright, so you have the name, and then I'm going to paste the contact information. Okay, now that I have the contact information up there, we're going to move on to work experiences. So since Eds has work experiences, we can use these details that she has on her resume. Let's start with the most recent or the latest. And the latest here was from July 2017 to March 2019. She was a Korean language instructor. So let's just change the date. July 2017 to March 2019. And add the company name. Job description, where here she put duties and responsibilities. So you can summarize this. You can just say responsible for the full cycle of lesson, instruction, and student assessment. Teach written and verbal Korean language. Teach written and verbal Korean communication skills. Then she has another work experience, which is production operator from December 16, 2002 to December 20, 2006. Oops. Okay, she only has two. So if you're using my template, of course, you can add and delete as needed. I'm going to delete this because she only has two work experiences. So there. I fixed it and it looks like this now. And then we can move to the educational background. So here you can just add the dates. June 1995. Very basic, right? Secondary graduate. Then we can remove this, but I highly suggest to include skills and abilities on your resume. But for the sake of this, then we can delete this and just add her trainings. Since you're applying here in the Philippines, so you got your trainings here. Perhaps you can also add your secondary or high school. I'm not sure if this is her college or graduate school, but basically that's how it looks. Self-explanatory, and then you have your trainings. And here, on her original resume, she doesn't have character references, but these are needed on your resume. So prepare at least 3 with designation, name, designation, company, and contact number. And that's about it. You're done. So once you have edited this, all you need to do is save it as a PDF file. Just go to the File tab, Save As, and here look for PDF. Save. And there. Here's the PDF format, and you're done.
I hope you learned something from today's video. If you want to learn how to write a professional resume, even though you don't have any call center or job experience, I also have a video about that. So I'm going to link it up there and go ahead and check it out after this video. If you want to join our Facebook group, link is on the description box, and make sure to answer the 3 questions or else you will not be accepted. So I'll see you over there.